Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the settings, then to the system section, advanced, reset options, and select the last option, erase all data, factory reset, and then confirm it by tapping erase all data, and then tap erase all data one more time, and after that your device will be restarted within a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.